beautiful, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I'm Chanel. If you're not new, well, thank you for coming back. So we're going to jump right into this video. So if you did not see my very first video try on impressions of the famous Makiage, I hope I got it right this time, foundation, it's their Woke Up Like This foundation. I will make sure I leave a link in the iCards for you to go ahead and check that video out. Now, I taken the test again. I got a new shade, but they actually gave me a different foundation, and I didn't know that they had another foundation. So they actually have the foundation that everybody knows, their Woke Up Like This Flawless Base Foundation, and they also have another one, their After Party Next Gen Full Coverage Foundation. So you're like, Chanel, you doing full coverage? Why not? Let's try it out. So they did send my package in a black bubble mailer this time. My address is on the other side, so I can't show you that. So that's the difference between the little bubble mailer. It's different from the very first one. And the box that my product came in is actually, the shape is the same, but it's different. It's not black. This is the package they sent it in this time, okay? So I was like, oh, okay. So I did open it. I wanted to see was the color correct, and I think the color is good, okay? So this time around, we're just going to use a sponge. I'm not going to use a brush and a sponge. So I have already hydrated my face and everything. I got my Tarte Base Tape primer right here in front of me. I'll be using that as my primer today. But we're going to go ahead and unbox this. Now, this particular foundation, I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about it. This time around, this is how I opened the box. I'm trying to catch all the daylight before it disappears, you guys. It comes with the, say, this card here, but this is actually the black one. This time they didn't give me the white card. And here is the product on the inside, right here. So they sent me another number 100 foundation brush, so that's super nice. I also got another concealer, and for my free gift they sent me an eyeliner. So now I got another eyeliner. So here is the foundation. This is the box that this particular foundation came in, and you just pull it up and there it is. There's the foundation. So this particular foundation, let me read a little bit about it. This is a long-wear foundation that instantly conceals imperfections with just a drop and creates a flawless, even look that lasts all day. Their advanced formula controls oil and shine without clogging pores, packs serious stamina, and easily blends into the skin to a comfortable, breathable, forget you have it on, natural matte finish. Plus, you can trust it won't cake, fade, or shift all day or night. Available in 50 diverse shades for all skin tones. So there we go. If you don't know anything about Makiage, I'm going to give you a little quick rundown. It's the online retailer. I believe they do have a storefront in New York City, and you do a quiz online. They ask you about your skin tone, your color, undertones, if you're oily, if you're dry, if you're a combination, if you have green veins, or they ask you a whole lot of questions in a series to help with you finding the perfect foundation for your skin type. I hope this is the right shade. Okay, so if you, like I said, if you haven't seen the other previous video, it's up in the cards. That wasn't a good try. So we tried it again this time, and they matched me up with the After Party Next Gen Full Coverage Foundation. So here we go, and I actually have the shade 200. So instead of the other foundation, they matched me with foundation number 165. Now I'm 200. And the concealer, the concealer looks good. This is the F I'm Flawless concealer. This time I got shade 13.5. If you guys can see that, that is what the concealer shade looks like. So I'm hoping y'all. And this is supposed to be their matte foundation. So when you pull off the cap, it does come with a pump. And I'm just gonna go in with my Beauty Bakery sponge here. Okay. So I'm gonna start off with one pump here and see how far it goes. Okay. And I'm kind of just using the sponge to like brush it onto my skin. Like, I want to see if I can cover up these down here. I'm going to place this on my spots here to see how well it covers up. Okay, this is like a natural matte finish. It's very, very pretty. You guys, it looks like my skin. Like, that one pump looks so good, you guys. And you guys know I don't wear like full coverage foundation, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and build this up. I'm gonna do another pump of that, and this time we're just gonna put it all around and see what we can do with this. I will say this is a medium to buildable to full coverage foundation. I really do like it. It's really, really pretty, you guys. Like, this is really, really pretty. I think the shade, now that I keep looking at it in my neck, if I compare it to my chest, you guys, I'm kind of pale here. My chest area, of course, is lighter, but this is a good combination for my arm. Like, it matches my arm. The foundation does, and it's really, really pretty. Like, this is of course more foundation I would wear on my face, but I want it to sit because I have a feeling like it's going to start oxidizing quickly. Alright, you guys, I'm back. It's been 5 minutes and I feel like I probably shouldn't have added that third pump. I probably should have just left it at 1. And how I'm looking at it, it looks like it does oxidize, as you guys can see, compared to my hand or my arm. It is quite warm and it looks a little red, but it also looks like that this could be my summer shade. Like, this would be the perfect shade for me for summer if I was actually getting sun. But yeah, and it dries down matte. Okay, so I got transfer like barely any on off my face, but these two marks were in the crease of my nose. I guess those hadn't dried down yet. But yeah, like, and you guys, I'm pressing hard. Okay, so this was right here in my eye socket, so. But overall, it's like it's not. Like, it's barely in my smile lines. Like, I can see my smile line, but I can barely see it. Okay. Alright. We probably got some here. Okay, we're going to go ahead and try out this concealer here. I love this. I love the look of their concealers because you got the little peekaboo window here before you even open it. And I think this is going to work, y'all. And I have the shade 13.5. I don't remember what shade I had last time. So you just, the only thing I don't like is that the doe foot reminds me of something you would put on like a lip gloss or something. But you know, hey, you know, we're gonna go in. This is gonna be a very bright highlight, you guys. And they match you to a concealer that will work for you. I think it is more for highlight purposes only. So this concealer is a long wear lightweight concealer that instantly covers under eye circles, blemishes, dark spots, and hyperpigmentation with an advanced vegan, cruelty-free, oil-free, and paraben-free formula. And they have 30 different shades. Let's see how I like this shade here. If I like the shade. I am liking the foundation. You know what? Just act like we never did that eye, okay? We are just gonna go ahead and build it up right here, and we're gonna see how this concealer really works. And then I'm gonna put a different concealer on this side. So can you guys see like what I normally wear and what they gave me? I don't think the concealer I'm going to keep just because of the shade. Like, it's not something that I would go towards. Alright, so you guys let me know what you guys think about the foundation and the concealer. I already kind of personally know what I feel, but let me know what you guys think about it, because you know that might change my mind, you guys. But yeah, so here is the foundation, the Il Makiage concealers on this side, and then I did a combination of both Il Makiage and the lip bar on this side. But yeah, I'm liking this side a lot better. But yeah, so overall this is my second attempt at this try on, and I can say, you guys, I really do like this particular one because I am super oily, so I'm happy I got this one instead. The other one, it was a nice coverage, you know, it was, but I am a oily slick, so don't worry. Down below I will do a whole wear test on a different day and leave all the information down below in the description box how it worked out for me for about 8 hours. So yeah, okay, super excited about that.